Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
Let's consider the main technical characteristics of the N55 motors. 3.0 litre, 2,979 cubic centimeters. 8.2 litres for every 100 kilometers in mixed mode engine oil. BMW N55 E82, BMW M135 F20, BMW M235 F22, BMW M2 F22, BMW 335 IE90, BMW 335 IF30, BMW 435 IF32, BMW 535 IF10, BMW 640 IF13, BMW 740 IF01, BMW X1 E84, BMW X3 F25, BMW X4 F26, BMW X5 E70, BMW X5 F15, BMW X6 E71, BMW X6 F16. BMW 535 GTF07 modifications. The motor has several modifications, which turned out as a result of finalization of the basic power unit. In addition, each new version was stronger than the previous one. Let's consider what modifications received the N55 motor. N55B30M0, 2009, present. Base engine with a power of 306 horsepower at 5,800 RPM, torque of 400 Nm at 1200 to 5000 RPM. 4 BMW versions with index 35i. N55, 2010 to present, 320 horsepower at 5,800 to 6,000 RPM, 450 Nm of torque at 1,300 to 4,500 RPM. Cooling has been improved and ECU firmware has been changed. 4 BMW 35i and 40i versions. N55B3000, 2011, present, analog of N55 with an output of 326 horsepower at 5,800 to 6,000 RPM, torque 450 Nm at 1,300 to 4,500 RPM. It was used in BMW models with 35i index. N55 HP, 2011, present, 340 horsepower version at 5,800 to 6,000 RPM, torque 450 Nm per 500 Nm, overboost, at 1,300 to 4,500 RPM. It was used on BMW models with 35i index. N55B3000, 2015, present, 370 horsepower version at 6,500 RPM, 465 Nm per 500 Nm, overboost, torque at 1,400 to 5,550 RPM. Used on BMW M2 models. Maintenance of N55 motors does not differ from standard power units of this class. Maintenance of motors is carried out at an interval of 15,000 kilometers. The recommended maintenance should be carried out every 10,000 kilometers. So, let's consider a detailed technical service card. Oil and oil filter change. N55 TO1, oil change, oil filter change. It is carried out after the first 1,000 to 1,500 kilometers of mileage. This stage is also called running in, because the motor elements are lapping. TO2, the second maintenance is carried out after 10,000 kilometers of mileage. Thus, the engine oil and filter are changed again, as well as the air filter element. At this stage, the engine pressure is also measured. TO3, at this stage, which is performed after 20,000 kilometers, the standard procedure of oil change, fuel filter replacement and diagnostics of all engine systems is performed. Maintenance 4, the fourth maintenance is probably the simplest. After 30,000 kilometers of mileage, only oil and oil filter element are changed. TO5, the fifth maintenance service is like a second breath for the engine. Typical faults in principle, All motors are similar to each other in design and characteristics. So, let's consider what frequent problems can be found on the N55 cylinder block. N55 ignition misses. Clogged hydrocompensators. It is worth checking and, if necessary, replacing. Increased oil consumption. The malfunction lies in the ventilation of crankcase gases. Vibration. This is often due to a malfunction of one of the injectors. Conclusion: engine N55, quite reliable and high-quality engines. All of them have a high rating in respect of motorists, experts. Maintenance of the power unit can be carried out independently. As for repair, it is recommended to contact a service station. BMW N55 motor N55 servicing N55 motor N55. In conclusion, the BMW N55 engine stands out as a remarkable advancement in automotive engineering, offering a blend of power, reliability, and efficiency. With its structural enhancements and adherence to stringent environmental standards, the N55 has successfully replaced its predecessors, the N54 and N62. Understanding the various motor types and their specific applications is crucial for optimal performance and maintenance. By following proper maintenance practices, owners can ensure the longevity and efficiency of their N55 engines, making them a solid choice for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the BMW N55 engine.